Before proceed, you can go to my GitHub and download the Python code snippet so you can follow along to tweak it to tailor to your own system. Let's go. Got it? Finally, I can figure out how to update the database without knowing the local path of the CSV file. The main use of this is, let's say, for my accounting app can enable user input and make the entry result downloadable. Alright, let me show you how the end result looks like. Now, it is empty under before update. Oops, let me add something in. Here you see after update. Alright, pretend that I've entered item 123. Here you can see a newly added row with item 123. Down here, I print out the session state to show you what happens at the backend. Okay, let me enter the second record, the third row, something like that. Let's say if I remove the upload file and upload it back, it will show the record cache from previous session, which isn't very good. But I'll fine-tune it later. Rerun it. Oops, should be clear cache. And then rerun. So everything is back to the very beginning. Pretend that this new row is entered once, twice, thrice, quadruple, and so on. The trick here is the session state here. If the upload is not none, that means if there's an upload file, then on top of the original session state, which is a blank database, appends it with the upload data, then inside the form in the sidebar, enter the current session input data. Everything in the current session is then appended to the session state DF result in an ongoing fashion. The session state DF result is indeed showing the most updated data table. What I did wrong was me simply assign the DF result session state to the upload file, which didn't work. I don't know why. What I need is starting from a blank database, append it with the upload data, then everything is fine. Anyway, it just keeps appending new data to your database. Okay, ciao.